In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and SwiftKey Keyboard. Finally, you can click on Typing section under Languages and select Typing and Autocorrect. As you can see, all text correction options are available over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one, or click on the chosen one and adjust it in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!